They don't know what's about to come. 2023.
It's like the biggest comeback since Bugsy Malone.
What is going on, boys and girls? Actually, I need to be safe.
Yeah.
Safety is number one.
We're still on
priority.
private road. We're still on private road.
Still on private road.
Ah, we're on public road now.
What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to a brand new video. This is actually kind of mad. I'm extremely excited to be doing this. It's been what, 4 years?
Ah shit, here we go again.
It's been locked down. I've been at university. Matty's been grafting. God, man, I look fat as
God, I'm sexy.
That's a thick ass board! So yeah, so Matty's got this car now as a daily because the TT was getting very expensive to run. So he's decided to buy a more unreliable car. I say that, this has been
Which,
spot on.
actually, I've been dipping and dabbling. It's already stage 1, but we'll get into that in another video.
Yeah.
But I think we're going to be dabbling in some performance mods that will then allow me to get a daily.
For a daily?
No, a daily for the project car, but then a daily for the daily.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping to hit this a bit quicker, a bit more, you know.
To be fair, this car, like, was it 2 litre TFSI?
Yeah.
That doesn't mean anything to me because all
Oil
that is.
guzzler.
Yeah, love it. Very nice.
Piston rings, delete.
Off you go, sunshine. Gat! Yeah, so this is the restart of Josh's POV. Matty's going to be joining us for the whole length of it now. Matty's going to be a permanent person within the Josh's POV
Like
group.
Josh's and Matty's POV.
Yeah, but Matty's POV is silent.
Yeah.
Silent.
Yeah.
So,
it's the equivalent of, you know, that Neom name. Where it's apparently
Neon
Neve.
What?
It's apparently Neve, but it's actually Neom.
Alright, okay.
And
I have literally fucking no idea what you're on about.
No,
So yeah, a lot of things are coming to this channel. I don't really want to speak about it in this video because I want to keep it kind of short. A lot of this shit's probably going to be cut out, but enough talking. We're going to go wash this car.
Then I think we can do some talking. Lovely. Oil guzzler 101. We are out of oil.
Typical Audi problems, bro.
Shit, man. Imagine first video back, 2 minutes in,
engine's gone.
Shit. This channel was cursed, and I love it.
Remember when we used to do this?
Pop and bang now.
No,
Right. So we're here. Scenery. They can't see it, can they?
Grass.
Have a look.
Grass.
No, they can't see it.
As you guys know, obviously Josh's POV, the channel's been kind of dead over the last sort of 4 years. But yeah, so obviously I've been doing university, and I think I mentioned this at the start, but now I've finished. The channel's going to make a comeback. We used to love doing these videos and we still do, and now obviously I'm in a better position to be able to afford to be able to do these videos, as well as work on the car. Big updates on the car as well, both mine and Matty's. My car has actually been sitting on the drive for the past 3 years. It's actually got 3 years old V-Power in it.
Obviously, you know that we bought the Project TT, which is the last few videos that we did, and it was in a pretty big state. Yeah. And I've been working on it for the past 3 years, obviously documenting it on my Instagram. Yeah.
DJ
but we haven't been recording videos because we've all been busy. So I have a wealth of knowledge now. I've learned and rebuilt the car fully, and we'll do more videos on that and what it looks like now.
Like I said, it's been a long time since we've actually done any sort of form of content, so it's going to take us a while to be able to get you guys updated, but we want you guys along for the journey. It's going to be exciting. This is something that me and Matty really want to put our all into now. Oh my god, that's a big scratch. There's not really, like I said, there's not really much up to date with my car. It's just a fucking shed at the minute.
But we'll get it back up, we'll get it running, and we'll go to some shows and do some challenges. And
that'd be cool.
A Mark 1 TT buyer's guide.
Don't know who that is.
Because he'll stop. He'll come back now. He'll be like,
he's braking.
Right, that's it. We'll meet again in a few days.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in a few days. If you did like this video,
No.
it's because it's been so long, bro. What the fuck? Right, guys, if you did like this video, make sure you drop a like. Make sure you also subscribe. Like I said, we're gonna do plenty more videos in the way. I keep saying this because there is, but I just don't want to get into it too much. But yeah,
cool. We'll
thank
see
you
in the
guys
next one.
so much for watching. I've been Josh. This has been Matti, and that was our POV. Peace out.
Bye.